The Hopup Tension Fabric display is a simple, versatile display that can be set up in seconds. Start by stretching your frame to size by gently pushing out the corners. Next, make sure your purple locking arms are aligned. If not, adjust so that they snap together easily. Gently push on the top of the frame to lock the arms into place. Spread your graphic on top of your frame and attach to the webbing. Working your way around the frame edge, align the edge of the graphic with the webbing on the frame. If your graphic has end caps, gently pull so that the edge attaches to the gray hub. Repeat for the other 3 corners. Your graphic should be taut. For frames over 3 quads high, stabilizing feet attach simply. Turn your display on its side and slide the stabilizing feet onto the dovetail clips on the bottom hubs.